Remember the man you once were, confident, strong, and full of dreams. Where did he go? In this video, I'm going to show you why so many men feel stuck in midlife and how small changes can help redefine success, boost your energy, and reconnect with what truly matters. Stick with me. This could be the turning point you didn't know you needed. Maybe you've worked hard your whole life, built a career, relationships, even family. But life feels like it's stuck on repeat, and every day feels the same. You're not alone, and it doesn't have to stay this way. For so many guys, midlife feels like a crossroads, a time when you look back and barely recognize the man you once were. Maybe your health has taken a backseat, relationships feel strained, and you're starting to question your own purpose. It's frustrating when certain men say, "Man up," but that doesn't really help. When all you need is clarity, confidence, and a plan to move forward. I'm Gary, and I've been where you are. I was ticking all the boxes society told me to, but I felt trapped, like I was on a treadmill going nowhere. Then I made a change. I redefined success, prioritized my health, and rebuilt my life on my own terms. Today, I live in Chiang Mai, Thailand, where I've lived for over 2 years, embracing a simpler, more meaningful path. And now I help men like you do the same. So what makes my coaching any different, you ask? My approach is simple. Just build around your unique life story. No generic advice, no quick fixes, just real practical steps that work for you and deliver results that last. Imagine waking up feeling energized, focused, and reconnecting with the people that matter the most. Proud of the man you're becoming and the life you're creating. If you're tired of feeling like life is passing you by, take the first step today. I'm offering a free consultation call to focus on where you are now and how to bridge the gap of where you want to be. The next step of your life is yours to create. If you need help moving forward, send me a message. I'd love to help. No pressure, just real conversation. I'm Gary at Prospects, empowering change.